Now watch me make these AI photos into talking AI avatar videos.
Many successful people attribute part of their achievements to their morning routines, which often set the tone for a productive day. One common habit is waking up early, allowing them to start the day with a sense of calm and control. This extra time can be used for activities like exercise, which boosts energy levels and mental clarity.
As you can see, it is pretty amazing. I'm going to show you some other results here.
Welcome to the future of digital creativity. Imagine bringing your ideas to life with stunning AI avatars that can captivate any audience. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves exploring new tech, creating your own AI avatar has never been easier. Avatars can express emotions, tell stories, and even interact with your viewers in real time, adding a whole new dimension to your projects.
Now I will show you step by step how to make or how to create AI avatar talking videos using this tool. Now you can click the link down below to follow along. After you sign in with your Google account, you can go to avatar here, and then we can create an avatar. Now I will use photo to avatar, and then I will select the photos. I have two photos right here, so I'm gonna use this one as an example. Now we need the motion. So you want your character to be calm, relaxed, smile, serious, excited, playful, surprised, sorrowful, focused, confident, or compassionate. So you can choose which one you want for your character to react when she or he is speaking. So for example, I'm gonna use something like calm, and then I will generate avatar. Now this will cost you 2 credits. If you have free account, you got 3 credits, so you only have 1 left. By the way, I'm using a yearly plan because they got a sales, guys. I'm not sponsored at all, but I think their annual sales is very cheap because they have 50% off. Alright guys, our AI avatar is done. We're gonna check it out.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with Jogg AI. Just type your script to get started.
I mean, it looks amazing, right? From a still image into a talking videos. Now you can come up with your own script here, whatever you want her to say, or you can upload an audio. So if you have a podcast or other people podcast, you can upload it here, and the AI avatar will help you speak the words from the upload audio, okay? From the voiceover, not the words, the voiceover. Now if you want to write the words, you can write in the script section here. Now you can use AI writer. They use ChatGPT built in it, or you can try a demo by randomize the text here. Now let me show you AI writer. Let's say talk about morning habits of successful people. Click on generate. So these are the words. Now if you don't like the result, you can simply click on regenerate, and it will regenerate it for you. Now let's say I want to use this. By the way, you can add a pause here. If you want to add a pause, let's say you want to add a pause somewhere between here. Let's say you want to add maybe 1 second pause. You can add it right there. Anywhere you want to add a pause, you can. Now let me undo that. And then here is the voiceover. Now I will search the gender female, and then the language English. They have many languages as well, as you can see here. Now select English.
She tore her gaze away. Hi, it's Chelsea.
Hi there. Need a smart What's the craziest thing you've ever imagined?
The best thing about the future.
Well. It has been said that storytelling, it wasn't the story.
By repeating what students say, teachers can demonstrate that they are listening.
I'm gonna use Alexandra. Again, we're gonna use some imagination, guys, with your AI avatar, and then you have to imagine the looks of your AI avatars and the tonality of her or his voice, right? I hope that makes sense. Now I'm gonna click on generate here. Now you can choose your aspect ratio, short form videos or kind of long form videos, 16:9, and then click on render here. By the way, I already generated a few AI avatars. You can watch my previous video on this channel. So I generated a couple of other AI talking avatars, guys. You can watch my other videos if you want to know. By the way, if you want to know how I generated the image, I use this tool. You can go watch the tutorial as well. So yeah, that's how I generated this image and this image and this image. We're gonna wait this to finish and I will show you the end results. Alright guys, so this is done generating. We're gonna watch it together.
Many successful people attribute part of their achievements to their morning routines, which often set the tone for a productive day. One common habit is waking up early, allowing them to start the day with a sense of calm and control. This extra time can be used for activities like exercise, which boosts energy levels and mental clarity. Meditation or mindfulness practices are also popular, helping individuals focus and reduce stress. Another key habit is planning the day ahead. Successful individuals often take time in the morning to review their goals and prioritize tasks, ensuring they stay on track with their objectives. Many also emphasize the importance of a healthy breakfast, fueling their bodies and minds for the challenges ahead. Reading or consuming educational content is another frequent practice, allowing them to continuously learn and stay informed. By incorporating these habits into their mornings, successful people create a strong foundation for productivity and personal growth throughout the day. Many successful people attribute part of their achievements to their morning routines.
Do you guys find it helpful? Make sure to like this video. Again, you can use the link down below to follow along, guys. Now I'm gonna click on download here if you wanna download it. And by the way, if you wanna edit it, you can edit right here. Let me show you another cool thing that you can do with this tool. You can use a topic to videos here. Let's say you wanna make a shorts video about how to save money in crypto. Let's say as an example, guys. Let's say I wanna make this like 30 seconds long, and I can just generate script here. So as you can see, these are the scene. And if I don't like it, I can click on regenerate. Let's say you like this, you can click on generate video, and then let's say I want to use this for shorts, for TikTok, YouTube shorts, or Instagram reels. I'm gonna click on this one. So they have a preset library AI avatars that you can use for your, for your videos. These are all talking AI avatar that you can use. If you want to use your own, you can. For example, I'm gonna use mine right here. I can do that. I can even use this one that we made. For the second scene, I can use this girl that we just uploaded, and the third one maybe I will use other influencer. It could be this one, could be this, or you can use throughout the video use the same avatar you can as well. Now if we go back to script, make sure the voiceover is not the same, right? It will be weird though.
By repeating what students say, teachers can demonstrate that they...
Okay, so this is the second script. Now make sure everything is correct here, nothing is weird. By the way, you can add a pause as well if you want to add a pause in the specific section. And then the subtitle, you can click on the subtitle. And if everything is good, you can click on render. And just wait for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes, and I will show you the end result.
Saving money in crypto requires a strategic approach. Start by researching and choosing reputable cryptocurrencies with strong fundamentals. Diversifying your investments can mitigate risks and enhance potential returns.
Utilize dollar cost averaging to invest consistently over time, reducing the impact of market volatility. Secure your assets with reliable wallets, and consider staking or lending options for passive income.
Stay informed about market trends and regulatory changes. Regularly review your portfolio and adjust your strategy to align with your financial goals.
As you can see, guys, it's very good. And by the way, they have a flash sale right now, 50% off yearly plan. So I got this plan, creator. Again, I use my own money to buy this. You can calculate this. If you pay yearly, it's much cheaper. And also you can use an extra 10% discount if you use this coupon code when you check out. And I think this is a cool tool. You can generate unlimited video creation, guys. You can generate up to 240 photo avatar. Look at it, 240 is insane. You can have 10 custom video avatars, and you can also make videos up to 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. This is very important. If you want to make longer form videos, this is very useful. So those are the things that you can try. Again, I'll put a link down below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.